The new Dell UltraSharp monitors with Premier Color offer the ultimate in color coverage and precision, plus an outstanding viewing experience, designed to give designers, video editors, and photographers the right tools to do their best work. With Dell Premier Color, each monitor is factory calibrated for extremely accurate, precise colors right out of the box. Dell Premier Color offers wide coverage of industry color standards in 4 key color spaces. Precise color calibration is easy on all Dell Premier Color monitors. The 25 and 27-inch models with SDK even allow customization to preferred in-house color systems. Dell UltraSharp monitors with Premier Color also provide a phenomenal viewing experience with great connectivity. Ultra HD 4K resolution means incredibly fine detail and clarity on the Dell UltraSharp 32 monitor's 31.5-inch screen that's perfect for multitasking. And with the Dell UltraSharp 25 and 27 monitors, users can enjoy the outstanding screen clarity of QHD resolution. Ultra-thin bezel design provides an almost borderless view for easy multi-monitor setup. With KVM, users can view content from 2 PCs simultaneously and manage it with just 1 keyboard and mouse. All 3 Dell UltraSharp monitors with Premier Color offer consistent colors across an ultra-wide viewing angle, and a comprehensive range of connectivity options connect to a wide variety of secondary devices. Every Dell UltraSharp monitor comes with Dell's Advanced Exchange service and Dell's Premium Panel Guarantee, with proven reliability from the #1 monitor brand worldwide. With exciting tools for color-critical projects, the new Dell UltraSharp monitors with Premier Color address the unique needs of today's design professionals.